Hello, it's Carol here from Needlework Tips and Techniques. I'd like to show you how to do feather stitch. I'm going to start by doing a straight line of feather stitch. Put the needle down across from where it comes up through the fabric. Leave a loop, don't pull it all the way through. Bring the needle up halfway between and a little further down. Then we're going to come to this side, again, down horizontally from where it came up in the centre and a little bit further down, pull it through. One more like that. A bit too far, there we go. Bring it back up halfway between and a bit further down again, pull it through. Now we're going to start curving our line. So this time we're going to go more at an angle there. Halfway between again. And a little bit further again, making it slightly more angled. You see how it's now beginning to curve around towards the top of your screen. I'm not worrying too much about keeping the stitches the same size. This is an irregular feather stitch. Makes nice coral in an underwater scene, or a twig on a tree. And go the other way. Again, bring it up in between the two, leaving a loop. And then all we need to do is catch it down outside of the last loop to fasten off. So there you go. Feather stitch is really quite easy.